Kuwaiti culinary journey. Authentic Kuwaiti Kubba recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Kuwait. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a culinary journey through the flavors of Kuwait. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Kuwaiti Kubba. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Kuwait. To create this delightful Kuwaiti Kubba, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the filling, 500 grams of ground meat, beef or lamb, 1 onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, salt. To taste, ground black pepper. To taste. For the shell, 2 cups of fine bulgur wheat, water. As needed, salt. To taste. Now, let's explore the flavors of Kuwait. Step 1. Let's start by preparing the filling. In a pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and golden. Step 2. Add the ground meat to the pan, breaking it up with a spatula. Cook the meat until it's browned and fully cooked. Step 3. Season the meat with ground cinnamon, ground allspice, salt, and black pepper. Stir well to incorporate the spices and let the flavors meld together. Set the filling aside. Step 4. Now, let's move on to preparing the shell for the kubba. Place the fine bulgur wheat in a bowl and add enough water to cover it. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the wheat softens. Step 5. Drain the soaked bulgur wheat and squeeze out any excess water. Transfer the bulgur to a separate bowl. Step 6. Season the bulgur wheat with salt and knead it with your hands until it forms a dough-like consistency. This will serve as the shell for the kubba. Step 7. Take small portions of the bulgur wheat dough and shape them into balls. Create a hollow center in each ball by pressing your thumb into the center, making space for the filling. Step 8. Fill each hollowed bulgur wheat ball with the prepared meat filling. Seal the edges to encase the filling completely. Step 9. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the filled kubba in the hot oil and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Step 10. Once the kubba are fried to perfection, remove them from the pan and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. Kuwaiti Kubba. A savory delight that represents the authentic flavors of Kuwait. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Kuwait. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Kuwaiti Kubba. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Sodden and happy cooking.